Have you ever felt like your home was trying to send you distress signals like creaky floors or a leaky faucet that just won't quit? What if you could stop those problems before they start and keep your property in tip-top shape all year round? With a little effort and the right routine, you can maintain your home's value and save yourself from costly surprises. Join us as we explore 10 essential maintenance tips that every homeowner should know to keep their property in perfect condition. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Regular roof inspections. Your roof is your first line of defense against the elements, making it one of the most critical areas to maintain. Start by checking for missing or damaged shingles, and look for signs of wear, like curled edges or bald spots. Pay attention to flashing around chimneys and skylights, since even small gaps can lead to significant water damage. Gutters also play a key role in protecting your roof and foundation. Clear them of debris like leaves and twigs to prevent blockages. Clogged gutters can cause water to pool and seep into your roof or overflow, damaging your home's siding and foundation. Installing gutter guards is a simple upgrade that can save you hours of cleaning and extend your gutter system's life. Inspect your attic for leaks or moisture buildup, especially after heavy storms. Look for water stains on the ceiling or signs of mold, which can indicate poor ventilation. Addressing these issues early helps you avoid costly repairs and keeps your roof in good condition. Scheduling professional roof inspections every few years ensures that nothing is overlooked. Roof maintenance is about protecting your entire home, so don't skimp on this crucial task. A little attention today can prevent a big headache tomorrow. HVAC system tune-ups. Your HVAC system works tirelessly to keep you comfortable, so it deserves regular care. Change your air filters every 1 to 3 months to ensure optimal performance and air quality. Dirty filters force your system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and potential breakdowns. Professional maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. Schedule a tune-up twice a year, once before summer and once before winter. Technicians will inspect your system for leaks, clean the coils, and ensure all components are running smoothly. This preventive care can catch small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Don't forget about your thermostat. Consider upgrading to a programmable or smart thermostat to maintain consistent temperatures while saving energy. These devices allow you to adjust settings remotely and learn your habits, optimizing comfort and efficiency. Keeping the area around your HVAC unit clear of debris, plants, and dirt ensures proper airflow. A well-maintained HVAC system not only keeps you cozy but also protects your home from mold and humidity issues caused by poor ventilation. Check your plumbing. Plumbing issues can escalate quickly, so staying ahead of potential problems is essential. Inspect pipes under sinks and in basements for signs of leaks, rust, or corrosion. Even a small drip can waste gallons of water and lead to costly water damage. Drain maintenance is another must. Use strainers in sinks and showers to catch hair and debris, preventing clogs. For kitchen sinks, avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain, as these substances can solidify and cause blockages over time. If you notice slow drainage, use a natural enzyme-based cleaner to break down buildup safely. Water heaters also require regular attention. Flush the tank once a year to remove sediment, which can reduce efficiency and shorten its lifespan. Check the temperature setting and ensure it's not higher than 120 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent scalding and save on energy costs. Watch for signs of hidden plumbing issues, such as water stains on walls, unusually high water bills, or the sound of running water when fixtures are off. Addressing these issues early keeps your plumbing system in top shape and prevents surprise repair bills. Seal windows and doors. Drafty windows and doors can wreak havoc on your energy bills and make your home less comfortable. Inspect the seals and weather stripping around all openings, looking for gaps, cracks, or areas where the material has worn down. Caulking is an easy and inexpensive way to fix gaps and prevent drafts. Focus on the edges of windows and door frames, as well as areas where two different materials meet. Choose a high-quality silicone caulk that can withstand temperature changes and resist cracking. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows if your current ones are outdated. Double-pane or triple-pane windows with low emissivity coatings can dramatically reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Doors can also benefit from attention. Install a draft stopper or door sweep at the bottom to block air leaks. Even small adjustments like tightening hinges or lubricating locks can improve functionality and ensure your home stays secure and energy efficient. Clean and inspect appliances. Your appliances work hard daily, so regular cleaning and maintenance keep them running efficiently and extend their lifespan. For refrigerators, clean the condenser coils every 6 months to improve cooling efficiency. Check the door seals to ensure they're airtight and replace them if necessary. Dishwashers require regular care too. Clean the filter and spray arms to remove debris and prevent clogs. Run a cleaning cycle with vinegar or a dishwasher cleaner to eliminate buildup and odors. Washers and dryers are another area to watch. Clean the lint trap after every use and check the dryer vent for blockages to prevent fire hazards. Inspect hoses for cracks or bulges, and replace them every 5 years to avoid leaks. Ovens and stoves benefit from deep cleaning, particularly the burners and oven racks. For electric stoves, ensure the heating elements are working correctly. Regular maintenance ensures that your appliances run smoothly and prevents unexpected breakdowns. Inspect and maintain your foundation. The foundation of your home is literally its backbone, and keeping it in great shape ensures long-term structural stability. Regularly inspect your foundation for cracks, bulges, or areas where the concrete might be crumbling. Small cracks can be filled with epoxy, but larger ones might require professional intervention to avoid serious structural issues. Pay attention to drainage around your home, as water pooling near the foundation can cause major damage. Ensure gutters and downspouts direct water at least 5 feet away from the foundation. Grading your yard to slope away from your home is another effective way to prevent water from seeping into the foundation. Look for signs of trouble inside your home, such as doors or windows that stick, uneven floors, or cracks in walls and ceilings. These can indicate shifting or settling in the foundation. Addressing these early can save you from costly repairs down the line. Consider installing a sump pump in areas prone to flooding or heavy rainfall. A well-maintained foundation keeps your home stable and secure, giving you peace of mind no matter what the weather brings. Service your water system. Your water system plays a key role in your home's functionality, and, a little maintenance goes a long way. Start by checking your water pressure regularly using a pressure gauge. High water pressure can stress pipes and appliances, while low pressure might indicate a leak or blockage. Water softeners and filtration systems need regular care. Replace filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations, and clean the softener's brine tank to prevent salt buildup. This keeps your water clean and reduces wear on plumbing and appliances. Inspect your outdoor faucets and irrigation systems for leaks or damage, especially after winter. Dripping outdoor faucets can waste significant water and lead to higher bills. Fixing these leaks promptly helps you conserve water and reduce costs. If your home has a well, schedule an annual inspection to check the pump, pressure tank, and water quality. Maintaining your water system ensures uninterrupted access to clean water and keeps your home running smoothly. Fireplace and chimney care. A fireplace adds warmth and charm to your home, but regular maintenance is essential for safety and efficiency. Clean your fireplace regularly to remove soot and ash buildup, which can restrict airflow and cause unpleasant odors. Hire a professional chimney sweep annually to clear out creosote deposits. Creosote is a flammable substance that can accumulate in the chimney, posing a significant fire hazard. Inspections also help identify cracks, blockages, or damage that could lead to carbon monoxide leaks. Check the damper to ensure it opens and closes properly. A functioning damper helps regulate airflow and prevents heat loss when the fireplace isn't in use. If your home has a gas fireplace, inspect the burners and connections for leaks or malfunctions. Don't overlook outdoor maintenance. Ensure the chimney cap is secure and free of debris, as this keeps animals and water out. Regular fireplace and chimney care allow you to enjoy cozy nights by the fire while keeping your home safe. Maintain outdoor spaces. Your outdoor spaces are an extension of your home, and regular upkeep keeps them inviting and functional. Start by inspecting your deck or patio for signs of wear, such as loose boards, cracked tiles, or uneven pavers. Power washing removes dirt, algae, and mildew, while resealing wood surfaces protects them from the elements. Pay attention to your fencing and gates, ensuring they are sturdy and secure. Repair broken panels or hinges, and consider treating wooden fences with a weatherproof sealant to prevent rot. Gardens and landscaping require seasonal care to thrive. Trim overgrown plants, remove weeds, and add mulch to maintain a neat appearance. Pruning trees and shrubs near your home prevents damage to your roof and siding during storms. Outdoor lighting adds both security and ambiance. Replace burned-out bulbs, clean fixtures, and consider upgrading to solar-powered or motion-activated lights for energy efficiency. A well-maintained outdoor space enhances your property's curb appeal and creates a welcoming environment. Test safety devices. Keeping your home safe is a top priority, and regularly testing safety devices ensures they're ready when you need them most. Test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms monthly to make sure they're functioning properly. Replace batteries twice a year, or whenever you hear the low battery warning beep. Inspect fire extinguishers to ensure they are fully charged and easily accessible. If you notice any damage or if the pressure gauge indicates a problem, replace the extinguisher immediately. Check all locks, deadbolts, and security systems for functionality. Regularly lubricating locks prevents sticking and ensures smooth operation. For smart security systems, keep firmware updated to maintain optimal performance and protection. Don't forget about safety in the yard. Inspect pool fences, gates, and covers to ensure they comply with safety standards. Testing and maintaining safety devices helps protect your family and gives you peace of mind in any situation. And there you have it. 10 practical maintenance tips to keep your property in top shape year-round. From the roof to the foundation and everywhere in between, these steps can save you time, money, and stress. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dwellscape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our latest tips and tricks. Until next time, happy maintaining, and enjoy your beautifully cared-for home.